Greetings, students, and welcome to Atlanta Technical College. My name is Miss Lee, and I am the online learning coordinator for the college. Let's get started with your Blackboard orientation. Google Chrome is the browser that is required to use Blackboard. In order to access your Blackboard account, start by going to the Atlanta Technical College website. The web address is atlantatech.edu. Once you are on the Atlanta Tech homepage, go to the top left corner and select the My ATC button. On the next screen, you will see the Okta Quick Start Guide. Okta is the app that you will use to access Blackboard and all of the other apps that you will need for your success at Atlanta Technical College. Select the blue button in the middle of the screen. Next, select the Sign In button, or if you need further instructions on how to enroll in the app, you can use the Okta Enrollment Guide. Please remember that when you sign up for this app, you need to use your most current cell phone number because that is what you will use to verify your authentication. The next screen will ask you for your username, and you will also need to enter your password. Be sure to choose a secure password. If you are on a privately owned device that you will be using often, you can select the Remember Me button so that it will remember your information for the next time that you need to sign in. Once you enter your password, you will be asked to enter a secure code. This is your SMS authentication. Choose the Send Code button so that you can receive the access code on your cellular device. Once you have received your text message, enter the secure code into the box on the screen. Next, select Verify. Once you have verified your identity, you will land on your dashboard. If you experience any issues with accessing your dashboard, send an email to helpdesk@atlantatech.edu. Be sure to include your full name, your 900 number, and a contact number where you can be reached. Let's take a look at your dashboard. I want to highlight the main apps that are used by students. The apps may vary based on your enrollment and what you are using the dashboard for. You have access to Banner on your dashboard. Banner can be used to access your financial aid information, registration, withdrawal, and your course schedule. If you are taking a course through eCampus, which is an app that is provided to you to take courses at other technical colleges within the Technical College System of Georgia, you can access those courses here. For all courses that you are taking at Atlanta Technical College, use the Blackboard app. Students will also use their dashboard to access their Atlanta Technical College email account. Include your name, 900 number, and your contact information on all emails sent to Atlanta Technical College faculty and staff. The Office 365 app can be used to access free Microsoft tools that are provided to all students through their Atlanta Technical College email. These apps include Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. The Microsoft Teams app can be used to schedule virtual conferences with students, faculty, and staff at Atlanta Technical College through your Microsoft Office account. If you are in need of more guidance on how to get started with Office 365 tools, go to the Microsoft Office website and visit the Microsoft 365 Basics video training. There are several videos here that will help you get started and help you get a better understanding of how to utilize these tools. Before we explore the Blackboard homepage, Let's take a look at some of the rules of online learning at Atlanta Technical College. Students are required to access Blackboard a minimum of 3 days per week in order to meet the college attendance requirements. Check your course announcements each time you log in. Your instructor's contact information and office hours can be found on your course syllabus. Students are not allowed to take tests or submit assignments using a mobile device. Students are responsible for having access to the following items to ensure that they are able to complete all coursework: a laptop or PC with the latest version of Google Chrome, a webcam, a headset, and high-speed internet. Students can use the on-campus library if they need access to a PC or the lab in the Student Success Center. Headsets are also available for checkout in the library. Other items may be required based on the program you are enrolled in. Individual departments will provide information for students if there are additional requirements. Now that we've gone over the most important rules in the online learning environment at Atlanta Technical College, let's take a look at the Blackboard homepage. From your dashboard, select the Blackboard app. Once you land on your homepage, verify that you are in the correct account by locating your name in the top right corner. Next to your name, you should see the logout button. Be sure to use this button when you have completed your coursework on any public computer. In the middle of the screen, you will see your course list. Verify that all of the courses that you are registered for are listed here. Courses will appear on the start date. If you do not see a course listed, be sure to go to Banner and look at the start date for the class. The course will appear on the date that matches with the start date in Banner. Under My Organizations, you should see the ATC Student Learning Community. The Student Learning Community provides access to various calendars, student life activity, COVID-19 training, and all other information that will be needed to do a SAP report, your CARES Act, scholarship information, active shooter video, and various other links that are needed for student access. In order to navigate back to your home page, go to the Atlanta Tech tab. Each time you want to go back to your home page, use the Atlanta Tech tab to navigate back. Students who need to access our information regarding our accessibility accommodations at Atlanta Technical College in the online learning environment, scroll down to Alternative Formats for Content. Selecting the link that says Alternative Formats will forward you to a video that will explain how to use the alternative format features in Blackboard. Students who require additional assistance should contact our Resource Accommodation Specialist. Next, let's take a look at how to properly identify your CRN number for each course. The CRN number is a number that identifies each individual course that you will be taking. It is important to be able to identify your CRN because when you need to contact your instructor, you need to include the CRN number so that they are able to assist you by locating the course that you are taking. You will also need to include this number on any communication with the registrar. The CRN number is located in the course ID. The number is 5 digits and it typically starts with a 6, a 4, or a 2. Next, let's take a look at how to access a course. In order to access a course, go to your course list, locate the course that you want to enter, and select the link. Once you select the link, Blackboard will begin to record a course record of all of your logins. Blackboard will record each login and the amount of time that you logged in, as well as each area of the course that you accessed during the time that you were logged into the course. This is how the college keeps track of your attendance record in Blackboard. The second alternative for accessing your course is to go to the top right corner, select your name, and choose a course from your course list. This method provides quick navigation if you have already accessed a course and want to switch to another course. You will see several notification areas on the home page of your course. The notification areas that will appear are dependent upon how the course has been set up. If you notice that you have notifications that you have completed or are out of date, use the Actions button to dismiss all. This applies to each area. Next, let's take a look at the navigation menu. Navigation menus may vary based on the course that you are taking, but each course should always have the 4 following links on the navigation menu: announcements, course information, lessons, and my grades. The announcement section is where you will find notes from your instructor. Be sure to check your announcements each time you log in. Course information is where you will locate your course syllabus. Your course syllabus will include your instructor's contact information as well as their office hours. Be sure to use your Atlanta Technical College email account each time you need to contact your instructor via email. The My Grades section can be used to access a record of all of your grades for your course. If you have questions about any of the grades in your course, start by contacting your instructor. The Lessons section of your course is where you will access all of your course assignments. We are going to now look at a few scenarios of different assignments that you may have to complete during your coursework at Atlanta Technical College. If you have additional questions about lessons, coursework, or you do not understand how to complete an assignment or a test, contact your instructor using your Atlanta Technical College email. Let's look at how to submit an assignment. This example is called History of Atlanta. Select the link to open the assignment, and once the assignment has been accessed, you will have one opportunity to submit the assignment unless otherwise noted. If you submit the wrong assignment accidentally, you need to immediately contact your instructor before the due date and time of the assignment. You have 2 options for submitting your assignment here. You can use the Write Submission button to type in your response. Once you have typed in your response, you will select the Submit button, or you can attach a file. When attaching a file in Blackboard, there are 3 formats that are acceptable: PDF, JPEG, and Microsoft Office. In order to attach a file, choose the option that says Browse Local Files. Locate your document. Verify that you have attached the correct document. If you have made an error, you can use the Do Not Attach button to delete it. If you have additional documents, browse again and attach all documents before submission. Next, let's take a look at how to complete a discussion board. Select the link to open the discussion board. On the next screen, you will have an option to create thread. Use this button to enter your response to the discussion. On the first line, enter the subject of the discussion board. Use the text box to type in your response. Once you have completed your entry, use the Submit button to submit your discussion post. In order to verify that your post is completed and visible on the board, look at the list of posts on the next screen and you should see your name. Lastly, let's look at how to take a test or quiz via Blackboard. Here we have the ATC Campus Quiz. In order to open the quiz, select the link. On the next screen, you will have instructions for your quiz. If your quiz or test will allow you to take the test or quiz more than once, you will see those directions listed here. If the test is timed, you will also receive those instructions here. Pay attention to your instructions before you select the Begin button. If for some reason you get kicked out of the test once you have started, you need to take a screenshot of the error and notify your instructor immediately. In order to begin, select the Begin button. Your test or quiz will appear on the screen with the question in various formats depending on how it has been set up. This test has been set up as multiple choice. The library is located in Building G. Once you have selected your answer, be sure to select Save. It is your responsibility to verify that all of your answers have been saved before you submit your quiz or test. After your test has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation screen. All tests and assignments, as well as discussions, are time-stamped, which means that the instructor will be able to see the time that you submitted any assignment in Blackboard. If you need to expand your screen so that you have a more open window while logged into Blackboard, use the button for expansion and minimization of the screen. Using this button will allow your screen to appear bigger and remove the navigation menu. Once you are ready to add the navigation menu back to the screen, go back to the button and expand. Next, let's discuss third-party coursework. Third-party coursework examples include SimNet, Cengage, Respondus, TestOut, XYZ, Pearson, and McGraw-Hill. If you are enrolled in a course that requires third-party coursework, your instructor will provide directions for setting up access codes and any other requirements that are needed to ensure that it functions properly. Be sure to make note of the tech support contact for the software company. If you need additional assistance with setting up your third-party coursework, contact your instructor for assistance. Galileo is a tool that can be accessed through the Atlanta Technical College Blackboard homepage. Galileo is a research tool that can give you access to virtual, credible resources to complete projects at Atlanta Technical College. If you need assistance learning how to utilize the system, please set up an appointment with an Atlanta Technical College librarian. This concludes our Blackboard orientation. We hope that you find yourself more comfortable with utilizing the system after watching this tutorial. If you need more assistance, you can use the link in the top left corner to navigate back to the Atlanta Technical College homepage. The Atlanta Technical College website has all of the information that you need to get started at Atlanta Technical College. If you need to contact someone for additional assistance, go to the campus directory, Use the search box to type in the name or department that you're looking for, and you will be provided with the contact information. On behalf of the college, I would like to thank you for choosing Atlanta Technical College as your choice for continuing your education.